All right, we're here at Yossi's house. You're looking at his furnace. He's got a 5-ton, 120,000 BTU. We're going to be going back with the 2-stage, 95%, 120,000 BTU furnace. We're going to put a return drop on both sides. So here's a return right here. So we're going to have to take this return, extend it out, move this duct here back over to here. So bring some 6-inch duct and a 5 to 6-inch reducer, and then tie that back on with the damper. And then we're going to extend this duct out a little bit and put a return drop and have one April air filter on this side, and then a second April air filter we're going to have on this side, and then this return will have to be moved over slightly. We'll also be changing the water heater, so while we're changing this water heater we can move it over just a little bit. The water heater flue pipe you'll see is aluminum. It needs to be changed out to galvanized. You'll need a 3x4 reducer for that. New shutoff valve, expansion tank. We are going to put a drain pan underneath here and just point the drain down here to the floor drain on the water heater. This gas line here that feeds the furnace is only 1/2 inch. It needs to be 3/4 inch with a 3/4 inch shutoff down into the furnace. Yeah, we'll change that T out right here so that we got 3/4 inches going over to the furnace. Then we're going to seal all the joints. We got holes everywhere in every corner. Just make sure you seal them all, just like you guys normally do. The furnace is going to be at 95%, so you see right here on the other side, there's an easy place to get out right here through the band board up here to get your 2 pipes out with the furnace. On the supply trunk, because we are on one side of the house, we're going to cut a 45 on this side. Oh, so this humidifier, we're going to remount this humidifier back on here and just change the pad. It's the 700 powered humidifier. So we're going to cut a 45 on this just from here up to here. Just a 45 on the supply trunk right there. We need to change this humidifier valve right here just to a normal sweat in with a ball valve on it. Let's see what else. The line set, yeah, you got a 3/4 inch line set. It's a really small line set, probably less than 20 feet. It just goes up and out the side of the wall right here. You'll see when we get outside that the unit's on brackets. You can cut them off and just slide them through. So these are the condensing unit brackets right here, and slide them through the wall to get them out. We have a 7/8 inch line set. We need to go to 1 1/8 line set. It's really small. I've already talked about that, Ruben. I got that. Oh yeah, we're going to put a damper. So we have a short trunk that goes here to this side of the house, and we just want to put a damper in that. What size was that? 8 by 20?
8 by 20.
23? Yeah, we'll get that size here real quick.
8 by 23.
8 by 23 damper. That's on that side.
But
yeah.
don't forget, this is going to be here.
Yeah.
So it's going to be here.
Yeah,
The
exactly.
damper is going to be about 2.5 foot from the trunk.
Right. Let's see. I'd almost want to, Reuben, put the damper on this side and that on the other side of the damper, because you're going to need less flow in that particular duct. Yeah. I think I covered everything. Didn't you?
The 4-inch.
Yeah, we've got that.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, we got that. It's going to have a space guard filter down here. I think that's everything for inside. Thanks.